Back on the fix and flip job of this 2006 BMW 325 Xi, and if I'm ever going to get this thing sold and my money back out of it, we've got to get the cosmetics taken care of, because ultimately lipstick on a pig makes it a prettier pig, and well, that's exactly what this car is. So I've got a $50 budget, so together we're going to make the most of that tiny budget and make this pig look a heck of a lot better. Let's begin at the easiest but most expensive part to make a difference in the way this car looks, and that's going to be some gloss black kidney grills. Nothing makes a car look older and junkier than the chrome that isn't looking as good as it should. So we're going to start with a $18 set of gloss black kidney grills. Now these are easy to install. The lower kidney grills just snap into place on the bumper. The upper eyebrow to these kidney grills, well, those have a few screws that screw them in to the hood. With a little bit of fitting, these cheapo kidney grills did install nicely, and as you can see, well, it's a pretty good look. Not too bad. Now we'll turn to what might have been the deal of a century, where off of AliExpress, I went ahead and purchased some LED side marker turn lights. Now these are smoked, so they'll be able to match the front kidney grills we just put on, and they're sequential and LED and installed pretty easy. Personally, I think look pretty good for $2.99. I mean, $3.18 after shipping. How can you go wrong? Of course, let's not forget about the interior, where the shift knob that was in the car, well, just gross after the fake wood had started to fade and get peeled off from some other person's sweaty palms on this shifter. Well, I'm done polishing somebody else's knob, and I'm putting in, well, a leather OE style shift knob into the car. This was also pulled off of AliExpress, $5.29. With a good quality yank, you can get it done, and my new knob is snapped right into place. And you might have also copped that the shift boot has been changed out too. And that's true. I got a leather shift boot for $5.84. So surprisingly a bit more than the shift knob, but it really completes out classy look of a refreshed leather shift knob and boot. And finally, in this cosmetic journey, we'll turn towards the steering wheel. The stock steering wheel's fine. My budget didn't allow me to get an M Sport steering wheel, but definitely wanted to make it look nice, so I ordered this kit to rewrap the steering wheel. I had some reservations expecting this to be quite a bit of work, and well, it really was. I started off by trying to do it on the car and quickly discovered it's going to be better off to take the steering wheel off, bring it inside, and put some real time and effort into it. But in doing so, I got the steering wheel off, started wrapping it. It's a little fiddly, and you definitely have to pay attention how you're running the thread through. But with a bit of work and, well, some cussing here and there, I've got it installed. And really, I think it actually fully transformed the way that the interior looked, and is just so much better. Really happy I did this, and you'd be blown away to find out that that piece alone, the steering wheel wrap, was $3.96. So in total, if we go through and we take a look at all of our cosmetic related items that we've installed in this episode, you'll see we'll come out to a total of $50.93, and that includes some door card clips, replacement child seat latch covers, a few other odds and ends, but $50 well spent, if I do say so myself. Go ahead and let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. Will this have made any difference in whether or not somebody will want to buy the car? Did it make it worse? Who knows? And definitely subscribe so that way you can see if I can, well, ever get this thing out of my driveway.